Have you ever wondered what happens when classic design meets modern innovation? Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Volvo 240. Stick around as we explore its rich history, detailed exterior analysis, and the latest specs. But first, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews and analyses. Let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit the iconic Volvo 240, a car that has left an indelible mark on automotive history. The Volvo 240 was first introduced in 1974 and quickly became a symbol of reliability and safety. Over the years, it evolved, but its core values remained the same. Known for its boxy design and robust build, the Volvo 240 was a favorite among families and car enthusiasts alike. Fast forward to 2025, and Volvo has reimagined this classic with a modern twist. Let's dive into the details. Starting with the front view, the 2025 Volvo 240 features a large, distinctive grille with the Volvo emblem prominently displayed at the center. This grille is flanked by round headlights, giving the car a retro yet sophisticated look. The long, smooth hood leads seamlessly to a raked windshield and a curved roofline, enhancing the car's aerodynamic profile. The grille's design is both bold and elegant, while the round headlights pay homage to the classic Volvo 240, blending nostalgia with modernity. Moving to the side, the sleek and modern design continues. The body of the car is characterized by smooth lines and a slightly raised rear end, adding a sporty flair. The large black wheels with low-profile tires and a multi-spoke design contribute to the vehicle's dynamic and aggressive stance. Notably, the absence of visible door handles suggests the use of retractable or electronic door mechanisms, adding to the car's modern and clean appearance. At the rear, the 2025 Volvo 240 showcases rounded taillights, a nod to classic Volvo models but with a contemporary twist. The chrome bumpers and trim add a touch of luxury and sophistication. The sporty wire-spoke wheels enhance the car's elegant stance, while the dual exhaust pipes and an air vent behind the rear wheel suggest performance-oriented features. According to the latest information, Volvo is focusing on sustainability and innovation with the 2025 model. Expect advanced safety features, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly materials throughout the vehicle. Excited about the 2025 Volvo 240? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews and analyses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.